Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y300t with textured color matching exquisite and handy design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.72 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels, approximately 91.49% screen to body ratio, 20.1 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1050 nits maximum high brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and drop scratch resistance glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4 and ring LED flash. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.05, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 5 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300, 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB, 512GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.3 by 8.09, 8.19 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams, and the color options, brown, white, blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 44-watt wired flash fast charging, reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1. USB Type-C headphone jack, with mono speaker support, USB Type-C charging port, military grade. Durability quality support, IP64 dust tight and water resistant, infrared remote control support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y300t has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,199 Chinese yuan, while 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,299 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 1,699 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y300t smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.